Elsevier Learning Management System Transition, moving to Moodle. This video covers the top 5 differences between using Elsevier's Evolve LMS and Moodle, the new registration process for requesting products in Evolve, and adding Evolve content to your Moodle course using Evolve Link. This section walks through the top 5 differences between using Elsevier's Evolve LMS and Moodle's LMS. First, let's compare the navigation between Evolve and Moodle. Some items are the same, some have slightly different titles, and some we'll need to dive deeper into. Here are the 5 differences we'll look at in more detail in this video. The first column is the item name in Elsevier's Evolve LMS, and the second column shows the new name and/or path where to find the item in your Moodle LMS. Note, these are not in any order of importance. Let's start with sections and labels. In Elsevier's Evolve LMS, you had folders. In Moodle's LMS, you have sections and labels. When your course is originally created, course sections can be set up by topics or by weeks. For this example, we selected weeks. Click on Turn Editing On to edit your sections. You can now edit any of the sections already created, and notice you can hide or even delete sections. You can also add additional sections. Click on Add an activity or resource in any section to add content. Notice you can add all types of content into your course. Elsevier's content is added by using activities and then external tool. Later, we'll look in more detail at adding Elsevier's Evolve content using Evolve Link. For now, let's look at labels. Labels are quite versatile and can help to improve the appearance of your course. Notice in week 1, we have 2 labels already added. Click on the cross on the left to change the order or drag the label to another week. Clicking on Edit allows you to edit that label, including hiding the label from students. Turn editing off when you have completed your edits. Now let's look at the calendar. Your calendar can be accessed from your homepage before you enter your course. From the homepage, you can choose to dock your calendar. This allows the calendar to appear as a vertical tab along the left margin attached to the page. Click on March 2018 to enlarge the calendar and view calendar details. You can click on the New Event button to create a new event. Select the type of event, add an event title, add a description, add a date, and then complete the duration and repeated event fields if needed. Finally, click Save Changes. In the Events key, you can choose to show or hide specific types of events. Click Hide Global Events and the March 1st Global Test event is hidden. Click Show Global Events and the event reappears. Click on Export Calendar to import your Moodle calendar into an external calendar application, such as Google Calendar. After the Moodle URL is set up in an external calendar, it is updated dynamically with new Moodle calendar events. Now let's look at users. In Evolve, you went to Rosters and Teams, but in Moodle, in the left side navigation, go to Administration, Course Administration, and then Users. First, let's look at Enrolled Users. You can enroll additional users by clicking on Enroll Users on the right. To do this, the user must already be registered in your institution's Moodle LMS. Assign roles, select or search for a user, click Enroll, then click Finish Enrolling Users. The student displays in the Enrolled Users list. Notice you can see when the student last accessed the course. Clicking on the orange column headings allows you to sort by that column name. You can also change their role. Across the top of Enrolled Users, you can make selections, then click Filter. Clicking Reset clears the filters you have created. Clicking on Enrollment Methods may give you the ability to add a student. Your institution's LMS administrator may be the only one with this access. Now let's look at Groups. Click on Groups on the left side navigation under Administration, Course Administration, and then Groups. Notice we have 3 tabs: Groups, Groupings, and Overview. Groups can be used where you have several classes and you want to filter your activities and gradebook so you only see one class at a time. You may also use this if you share a course with another teacher and you want to filter your activities and gradebook so you don't see the students from your colleagues' classes. In this example, students have already been added to one of the 3 groups based on class time. Clicking on the group name allows you to see the members and add or remove users. Here you can click on a name to add or remove them from the group. Groupings is the next tab. It is a collection of groups within a course. Using groupings allows you to direct tasks at one or more groups in your course so that you can work together on the tasks. On the right, you can edit, delete, or show groups in your groupings. At the bottom, you can create groupings. Last, we have the Overview tab. This tab shows you which groups are in which groupings and which group member or students' names are in each group. You can also view user count for each on the right. Next, let's look at reports. In Elsevier's Evolve LMS, you went to Login Report. In Moodle, you'll go to Reports. In Reports, there are multiple links available. By clicking on Logs, you have the ability to search for specific information. Notice each field has a drop-down so that you can drill down your report or log. By not editing any field, you'll get the most robust log or report. Click on Get These Logs. Your detailed log now displays. If you want to narrow down your search, again, you can edit any fields. For this example, let's click on All Activities and select Announcement, and then we'll click Get These Logs. The log is updated to reflect only that information. Now let's look at Live Logs. In Live Logs, you see who has accessed what, but only in the past hour. By clicking on Activity Report, you can see when an activity was last accessed and how many views it has had. Next, let's look at Viewing as a Student. To view the course as a student, you simply click on your profile name in the top right corner, then select Switch Role to, then select the role you want to masquerade as. You now see the course layout as a student. Notice that the role also appears under your name. To switch back to your own access, click on your profile name, then select Return to my normal role. To confirm that you are back in your own access, you no longer see the student under your name. For more assistance using Moodle, you can go to docs.moodle.org. Here you'll find many tutorials and videos for help. Now, let's walk through the new registration process for requesting products in Evolve. First, log into your Evolve instructor account. Notice any existing Evolve products are listed in your My Evolve product list. From here, click on Catalog, and then search for the desired product by using the product name, author, or ISBN number, and then click Go. On the product page, the center section has additional details regarding this product. To request this product, click Request. If your school is using Moodle, click the radio button next to Choose Your LMS and click Moodle. When choosing this option, more details are required. So in the delivery method, select Evolve Link from the dropdown and ensure you enter your LMS administrator's name and email. And if desired, enter the projected course enrollment and any comments. Finally, click Apply. Your content is placed into a shopping cart. Notice your selected hosting option is displayed below the product. You can change this by clicking Change. When you're ready to check out, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Checkout Redeem. If you have your sales rep code, enter it here, and enter a promotional code here and click Apply if applicable. Be sure to check the box next to Yes, I am an instructor, and then to complete your request, click Checkout Redeem. The confirmation page lists the item or items you have requested. Please note the message about the instructor verification process. You receive an email once your order is verified and fulfilled. This may take a few days. Now that your request has been approved and fulfilled, let's verify the product is in your My Evolve list. Now, let's look at how to add Evolve content to your Moodle course using Evolve Link. To get started, once inside your Moodle course, ensure you turn editing on. In the desired section of your course, click Add an activity or resource. Choose Evolve Link. Please note, if you don't see Evolve Link, you will need to contact your LMS administrator to get the tool added to Moodle for your institution. Then click Add. Provide the link a name, and then click Save and Return to Course. This link should not be visible to students, so click Edit next to the item, and then click Hide. Now, click on the Evolve Link tool. This opens your Evolve My Content page. In the My Content list, find the product to which you want to link. You can either link to the main content library from here by clicking Create Link, or you can create links to individual items or folders within each product by clicking on the product name and finding the item or folder you want to link to. Once you find the item or level to which you want to link, click on Create Link. A URL is generated for this link. Click Copy URL. Back in your Moodle course, add a link for the students to access the Evolve content. Click Add an activity or resource, and choose External Tool. Then click Add. Provide the link a name, and paste the copied URL into the tool URL field. And finally, click Save and Return to Course. Click on the newly created link to ensure its accuracy. You are now in the correct Evolve content. Repeat this process to build your Moodle course with links to Evolve content. And that's it! Now you understand the top 5 differences between using Elsevier's Evolve LMS and Moodle. You understand the new registration process for requesting products in Evolve, and you know how to add Evolve content to your Moodle course using Evolve Link. Thanks for watching.